Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase application on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Coinbase application on your iOS device, first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you do that, open up your App Store. In the search box, search for Coinbase, and once you perform your search, download the Coinbase application by tapping the install button right next to this application that says Coinbase Buy Bitcoin and Ether. Once you tap the install button or the download button, you'll be able to download the application right away. Coinbase is a leading digital currency platform that enables you to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. Once the application is downloaded, tap the open button to open the app, and that is how you'll be able to get Coinbase application right on your mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.